Hello guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation video for a Toyota Yaris GR fire extinguisher bracket that we here at Kap Industries make. The installation procedure is very easy. The only tools you require are a ratchet and a T50 Torx bit and just a couple of 8mm spanners. So all you do is you remove the two front seat bolts, lift the front of the seat up, slide the bracket in and bolt it all back down. The bracket itself comes with hardware that you can mount a fire extinguisher of your choice to the vehicle. In this video I'm going to be installing this one here, but you can use any extinguisher from anywhere you can get. Once you've removed the two front seat bolts, just lift the front of the seat up and the bracket slips straight under, just like that. And then you get your cage that the extinguisher comes with and just find a position where you'd like to bolt it in. So I'm going to bolt it in right there. Then with those two 8mm spanners, bolt your extinguisher cage to the bracket. Once you've then installed your cage to the Kap Industries bracket with those M5 high tensile nuts and bolts, then again lift the front of the seat and slip it under and put your factory seat bolts back in, and make sure you tighten them up by hand to begin so that you don't cross thread them, and then just tighten them down with your ratchet. Then slip the extinguisher into its cage and do your two clips up. Job done.